Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Google Lens and granting camera and storage access so everything you scan is saved. Frame the problem tightly. For text, get close and steady. For diagrams, include the whole page. Once done, tap the text recognition mode and let Lens parse the lines. You'll see selectable text and suggested actions. Choose copy to extract questions or the homework suggestions to get explanations. This first step converts paper into digital input, so you can analyze solutions quickly. Now you interact with the parsed content. Highlight the exact sentence or equation you need and expand selection handles to exclude noise. Then choose search for web references or homework cards that break steps down. This gives you both how and why. If the question is in another language, translate helps you follow along. Once you have results, listen with text-to-speech or copy into notes to annotate. Make sure to cross-check multiple sources to confirm the reasoning and avoid errors. Finish by saving the extracted text and any step-by-step explanations to your notes or drive, and label them so you can review later. If Lens misreads characters, retake the photo with brighter, even lighting, higher resolution, or a straighter angle. This improves OCR dramatically. When automated answers conflict, manually retype or rework key steps to verify the logic, and ask your teacher if something still seems off. This ensures accuracy while using Lens as a study accelerator, not a shortcut.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.